Hi everybody. English language course level 4. Today I do the activity intercultural project, the second term. Today I talk about the holidays and long weekends. Stage 2. The topic today is about the typical foods of Cartagena, and I want to talk about the fried fish and coconut rice. Is the one of the most delicious typical in Cartagena dishes. It is generally served by patacones, salad and coconut rice. This dish can be ordered with the fish that you like the most. For example, in Cartagena you can order tilapia or mojarra, and it is very important that you ask for lemon. The patacones are served fried and must be crispy. And coconut rice is a type of sweet rice. On the table you can serve this dish with called agua panela with lemon. And this dish you can find anywhere in Cartagena because the ingredients are the most typical and common in Cartagena. Another typical food I like this dish is known that the posta negra. The posta negra, it is a kind of meat that's marinate the day before and is served with sauce between sweet and salty. This sauce is made with panela or brown sugar. You can find this dish in restaurants is the Historic Center of Cartagena, or maybe in restaurants located near the Boca Grande beach. By the characteristics of this dish, it can be ordered on Sundays in the list of the typical Cartagena foods. Okay, another what are a typical food from Cartagena are fast foods. Anywhere in Cartagena you can find the butifarra and the carimañola and the arepa de huevo. The butifarra is a fresh meat sausages with the salt and pepper. It is made with pork. But the butifarra has a typical cylindrical shape and is served with lemon, and it is the one of the emblematic preparations of the Colombia Caribbean gastronomy. The carimañola is a typical food from the Caribbean region. The carimañola is made with the cassava dough or mandiola and has meat, chicken or cheese. The traditional arepa de huevo contains has eggs and ground meat. These meals can be eaten at any time by the size and portion. They can be eating for the breakfast maybe, or at time known as snacks, or they can found at points of sales or sale known as fries, and it is easy to find anywhere from the city. Thank you.